C1 Quadratics Example 8. Now you might be looking at this question, Example 8, and thinking that's not a quadratic, that's actually a cubic. And you'd be right, of course. The highest power is 3, so this is actually a cubic equation. Now you might be thinking, but we don't know how to solve a cubic equation. But let's take a look at the two terms. They have something in common. They both have a factor of x. So what I'm going to do is factorize out the common factor of x. So it's still a cubic. This, if I expanded it out, would give me x cubed minus 4x, which it should do. So it's still a cubic equation, but it's now been broken down into a quadratic times by x. And we know how to solve a quadratic. So let's now factorize this quadratic. It's an example of difference of two squares. So it's x plus 2 times x minus 2. This cubic is now fully factorized. Start with a cubic. We've fully factorized it. So just like with the quadratics, if we have a product of some numbers and the answer is 0, then one of the numbers themselves must have been 0. So it's either the first one, so either x is 0, or it's the second number, so our x plus 2 equals 0, that's the middle bracket, or must have been the last one, or x minus 2 equals 0. So we've got three possibilities here. X was either 0, or from the second bracket, if x plus 2 equaled nothing, x would equal minus 2. And the final possibility from the third bracket, if x minus 2 was 0, x would be positive 2. So this question, this equation, has three numbers which when you sub them into the equation give you an answer of 0. Any other number when you sub it in won't give you 0. So even though we didn't actually have a method for solving a cubic, we just applied what we knew about factorizing and quadratics and we could still do it.